Hi there and welcome to this video. My name is Andy Rowe and this is trendfollower.co.uk, and in this video I'm going to have a look at some of the key ETFs that I like to monitor each week just to see how the markets are doing. So I'm going to start off with crude oil, CRUD, which this week fell down just a little bit. It's been recovering from a low earlier this year, and really the past 2, 3, 4 weeks it's sort of paused a bit. It made quite a nice gain over a period of about 4 weeks, but it's kind of paused. This week it kind of rose but fell back a bit and ended the week just slightly lower than it started. No sort of great news there. Gold as well fell back. Actually, it had been rising nicely from this low, which it appears to be making down here. So it didn't break through the MA20, fell back a bit. So no sort of radical news with gold. The UK stock market. I use the FTSE 250 to monitor this. Made a new high. It's been rising steadily this year. It's done very well. So a new high this week. Continental Europe. Last week I was lamenting the progress of shares over on the continent. There have been a number of successive weeks of falls, but this week the price of shares in Europe rose. So using the iShares ETF IMEU to assess that, so you can see a rise in the price of that ETF. UK property kind of didn't do anything this week. It seems to be sort of struggling to know which way to go. It was falling before the election. It's been rising, but this week it rose and fell back. So a bit of indecision going on in UK property, but the US stock market, looking at SPY, which is an ETF of the top 500 US companies, made a new high. So the US stock market seems to have been held back by a bit of a ceiling here, but it looks like it's broken through that ceiling this week. So a new high there. Bond market. The Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF BND fell down a bit this week. It's been rising over the past year or so, but this week it's fallen back. So that's it really. So in summary, oil seems to have taken a bit of a pause. Gold is pausing. UK is rising. Europe is rising. US is rising, all three stock markets there. Bonds falling back. Property in the UK seems to be hesitating. There we go. So I'm going to have a look at some of my, I'm going to look through all my existing positions on another video. So check out the other video and see how my positions have done, because a couple of them will be some interesting news there. So check that out, and I'll look to trade something else. So almost certainly I'm going to be going long something in the UK. So see what I go for. Okay, bye for now.